Hello guys, I'm Yamini from YieldStacks and this is the second part of our Python data type. So let's start with our today's agenda. So in this video we will cover these three data types, that is list, tuple and dictionary. So let's start with the list. So what is list? List is a comma separated values enclosed in square bracket, and all these values can be of any data type, like it can be an integer, it can be a string, or it can be an object. Next point is list is a mutable. So what does that mean? After creating any list, we can modify the existing element, then we can add some new element into a list. So let's take a deep dive into list, means how to create list, what are the different operation we can do with the list. Let's see in the practical. As list is a sequence of elements separated by comma and enclosed in square bracket, let's create a list of fruits. Say for example we have mango, then we have banana, then we have apple. Let's enclose these fruits to a square bracket so that it became a list. Now if we want to check the type of my list, we can write type and the name of that variable. Say suppose we want to access any particular element from list, we have to specify its index position, and here index start with the 0. So for example we have to access banana, its index is 1, so we have to specify the index. It will give that particular element which index position you have defined. The next one is if I want to add some new element to existing list, we have a function that is append. What it will do, it will add new element to the end of the list. So I am adding new element orange to the existing list. So if we are checking now, it is added to the end of the list. Now if we want to change the existing element, say for example I want to replace banana with the jackfruit, we have to specify index position of banana, that is 1. Then we have to replace with the new one, that is we have to replace it with the jackfruit. So I am writing it to jackfruit. So this is about the append and modify. Let's try to delete one element. To delete a particular element from the list, what we have to write, del for delete, then name of the variable in which we have stored our list, then the index position of the element that we have to delete. So if I want to delete banana, we have to specify its index. So if I am checking now, banana gets deleted. Same like delete, we have remove function. So abc dot remove, and inside of that round brackets we have to specify which element we have to remove. Say for example we have to remove orange, then we have to mention this orange into that round bracket, and if we check now, it gives the modified one. Suppose we want to check a particular element is present or not in our list. Say for example mango in ABC. So it gives true if it is there. If I am writing anything else which is not present in our list, it gives us a false. Then next one is if we want to find out how many elements are there in our list, we have alien function. Inside of that we have to specify the name of the list. So it gives the count. Then next one, suppose we have one more list. Say for example I have orange, then next one I have mango, then next there is the banana. Now I want to merge both the list, that is ABC and XYZ, and for that we have one more option, means one more function, which is extend. What it will do, it will add the other list into the existing one. So if we are checking now, it will give the merge result. So you can see here mango is repeated twice, right? So now if we want to find out a particular element, means how many times it is there in our list, so for that we have one more function, that is count, and inside of count we have to specify which element we want to check. So I want to check mango, so it gives us how many times mango is there in our list. So it is giving 2. If I am specifying apple, it gives 1. If we want to add a particular fruit or particular element to a particular position, for that we have insert function. So and syntax is ABC, that is name of the list, then insert, and insert accept 2 parameter. First one is at what position we have to add new element, and second parameter is which element you have to add at that particular position. So I have to add jackfruit to the second position, and now if I check ABC, you can see at second position our jackfruit is added and orange is shifted to the next position. So this is about the insert function. Next we have pop function. So syntax is pop function is list name of the list dot pop. What it will do, it will remove an last element from the list. You can see it gives me what element it remove. And if we check ABC now, mango, which was added last at the list, it got removed. Then if we want to remove a particular element of particular location, position, say for example I have to remove apple from the list and it is at position first, so I just have to mention that index number to the pop function. So what it will do, it will remove that element which was there at that particular index number. When we want all the elements in a reverse order, for that we have a reverse function, and the syntax is abc dot reverse. If we check now, all the elements get reversed. Next we have sort function. If we want to sort our list in an alphabetical manner, as we have a list of string, it gets sorted alphabetically. Then after that we have copy function, which will copy entire list, and if I am storing it into a variable, all the copy of the list is get stored to a variable B. Then we have clear function to remove all the elements from the list, and the syntax is abc dot clear. And if I check now, all the elements get removed from that list. So we have seen all this method of list, that is append to append a new method, then copy to copy a list of element to a variable. Then next one is we have seen reverse, then sort, then we have seen insert, like that. So next our topic is tuple. And what is tuple? Tuple is a list of element which is ordered and immutable. Means once it is created, we cannot modify it and we cannot add a new element to it. And the difference between list and tuple is, first one is syntactical difference, that is all the list elements we enclosed into a square bracket, whereas in tuple all the elements we enclosed into a round bracket. Then next one is, after creating list we can append it, we can modify it, right, but in tuple we cannot modify the list tuple elements. So let's see how to create tuple in practical. Let's create one tuple. Say I have apple, then I have orange, and we have to enclose this to a round bracket, and I'm storing this tuple into a variable. So if I'm checking type, it will give me as tuple. Now if I want to access a particular element, then we have to do same like list, we have to pass index number. So for index number, index 0, it gives apple. If there is one more tuple, say for example I have xyz which contains banana, and if I want to merge these two tuples, we have to concatenate by using plus operator, and it will merge two tuples. If we want to find out the maximum number from the tuple, we have max function for this. So for that we have to write max, and inside of that round bracket we have to specify the name of the tuple. Same like max, we have min to find out the minimum number from the tuple. Then if we want to find out the total number of elements present in a tuple, we have alien function, and we have to pass the name of the tuple. It will give how many elements are there in our tuple. Then next, suppose I have a list which contains 1, 2, 3, 4 list of numbers, and now I want to convert this list to a tuple. We have tuple function. Inside of that we have to pass the list. It converts our list into a tuple. So these are the methods of the tuple. First one is reverse, to reverse the order of the tuple. Then we have a alien to find out the length of the tuple. Then we have max and min to find out the maximum and minimum element from the tuple. Then we have tuple to convert a list element or sequence into a tuple. So our next data type is dictionary. Dictionary is a key value pair, and every key should be a unique inside of that dictionary. Also key should be a string or number, or it can be a tuple, but it cannot be a object like list or dictionary. Let's see how to create dictionary in practical. Let's create one dictionary, and for dictionary we have to use curly bracket, and my key is name. Against that key I am storing value as a YieldStack. We have to separate this key and value by using colon. The next key I have to pass is profession. Software developer. Let's create this dictionary. I am storing this dictionary into a variable ABC, and now if we want to access a particular key from the dictionary, we have to just pass the name of that key. You can see like name, we can also write profession. If that key is not present in that dictionary, it will throw the error, that is key error, because I have written wrong spelling. Okay, like that. So suppose if we want to add one more key into our dictionary, we can do it like ABC. Then what key we have to add? Say for example language, and language will be my Python. And if we check now, it will add new key into the existing dictionary. So if we want to get all the, if you want all the list of keys, for that we have keys function. It will return all the keys, and same like keys we have values, which will return all the values of the dictionary. If key is not present in dictionary, it gives us a key error, right? So to avoid that, we can write like this: abc.get and name of the key. And if key is not present, what we have to return? So I just want blank if key is not written. So name is there. If I am mentioning anything like this, so as name1 is not there in dictionary, so it is giving us the blank. Next we have delete function to delete a particular key from the dictionary. So for that we have del, then abc, and name of the key we have to remove from the dictionary. If we see now, name is get deleted. Same suppose there are two dictionary, say for example xyz and now I am adding the name into this XYZ dictionary. And now we want to merge these two dictionaries and create a new one. So for that we can write like this, star star ABC. This 2 star is for iterating the key value pair from dictionary ABC, and same like from XYZ we have to iterate all the key values pair. And I'm storing this I'm storing this into a new variable, that is PQR. And if we see that, you can see there is two dictionary get merged. Same like that, if I am creating one more dictionary, say for example again new one is equal to age, and I am specifying 25. And if I want to merge this PQR and the new one, so we can do update function. So update new one. So what it will do, it will add new whatever is there in new one dictionary to a PQR dictionary. If we want to remove all the elements from the dictionary, we have clear function for this. So we have to just write ABC and clear. It will remove all the elements from the dictionary. So we have seen how to create a dictionary, how to update a dictionary, how to merge two dictionaries. Then if we want to remove a particular element of the dictionary, then how we can do that, or how to clear all the elements from the dictionary. So this is about the list, tuple and dictionary. If you like my video, please do like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.